Welcome to 43 Guthrie Crescent, a lovely 3+2 bedroom bungalow with 2 washrooms situated within the desirable Lynde Creek community of West Whitby. Tiered interlocking and wood beam walkways, as well as mature evergreen shrubs, enhance the natural look of the home's brick exterior, and adding to its charming curb appeal is a large front deck which wraps around to the south side of the home. The tiled floor of the main level's reception hall flows into the kitchen area, while beautiful wide plank flooring finishes the principal entertaining rooms and the bedrooms on this level. A huge east-facing picture window overlooking the front yard floods light into the open concept living and dining rooms, while a linear light fixture brings ambient light to the dining area. The dining room also has a walkout onto the wraparound deck, allowing entertaining to spill from these spaces to the outdoors. With direct access to the dining room for entertaining convenience, the kitchen offers both a bright and efficient working environment with ample storage. Showcasing a tiled backsplash, a white oven with gas cooktop, white built-in microwave and dishwasher, as well as a stainless steel sink and fridge with bottom mount freezer. Light through the kitchen window adds to the fresh, airy feel of this space, while crisp white cabinetry and track lighting enhances its brightness. A linen closet is conveniently located right outside the 4-piece washroom, which features a tiled floor and bath area, as well as a vanity with countertop basin. The second and third bedrooms are bright and spacious, with both having mirrored door double closets. And the master bedroom is also quite gracious in its size, enjoys backyard views, and has 2 separate double closets, both with mirrored doors. Off the kitchen is a spacious walk-in pantry with hardwood flooring and access to the garage, as well as a walkout onto a large rear deck offering a private outdoor space for entertaining that has an interlocking walkway to it from the driveway, and which steps down to a backyard with a storage shed, seasonal and evergreen shrubs and trees, as well as 3 raised gardening beds. And stairs here lead down to a finished lower level, bringing a wonderful living space to the home, and with the separate entrance from the garage also makes it ideal as an in-law suite. The open concept recreation area has laminate flooring and pot lighting in its living and dining area, the coziness of a gas fireplace, and there are also 2 storage spaces off this room. While the kitchen area features both hardwood and tile counters, a tiled floor, track lighting, a stainless steel double sink, a fridge and a mini fridge, as well as base cabinets. The hallway off the recreation area is where you find a combined laundry and furnace room with washer and dryer, both a linen and a clothing closet, a 3-piece washroom with a tiled floor, tiled walls surrounding a corner acrylic shower with glass doors, and a vanity with undermount basin, as well as 2 bedrooms. Situated on a 50 by 120 foot lot, a short walk to Colonel J.E. Farewell Public School and Guthrie Park, this home is also close to the Queen's Common Shopping Centre, Donald A. Wilson and All Saints Secondary Schools, as well as 2 indoor athletic fields. with the Heber Down and Lynn Shores conservation areas, Whitby's waterfront parks, the GO station, and access to Highway 401, all just short drives away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.